Yeah!
Hey there, Lingokids! What shape do we use to show love for our family and friends? Here are some hints. It's usually red, it's pointed at one end and round at the other, and we have one inside our body. Aha! It's a heart, and today we're drawing one to celebrate love. Grab a sheet of paper and a pencil and let's learn how to draw a heart. Let's start by drawing the left side of the heart first. All you need to do is draw a slightly slanted letter C that continues down the page a bit further, just like this. Well done! You already have one half of your heart. To make the other half, do the exact same thing, but this time make your letter C backwards. Start from the top of the first half of your heart and bring the second half all the way down to connect both halves. The tricky thing about drawing a heart is trying to get both sides to look as even as possible. But don't worry if one side of your heart is bigger than the other. It's perfect just the way you make it. There you go, Lingokids. You just drew a heart. To add some detail to your heart, we need to draw a small oval shape on the right-hand side of the heart, like this. Now, let's draw a little circle just above it like this. Well done! You can get creative and use the colors you like the most. For our heart, we're using fuchsia and light pink. Use the fuchsia to color the entire heart, leaving the two small circles for last. Once you've colored in your heart, finish it off by using the light pink to color in the small circles. Great work, Lingokids! We've never seen such beautiful hearts. Oh, Billy is having one of his brilliant ideas. I see. Nice idea, Billy. He suggests that you draw more hearts, cut them out, and give one to all your friends and family. That's so nice. Showing love is amazing. Thanks for watching and drawing along with us. Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us. See you next time.